The thing is, I code a lot. I spend many nights staying up late just writing programs. It's like a drug. There's been this one thing I've always wanted to program, and I've deliberately put off doing it because I knew one day I'm going to sit down and enjoy writing that code. I'm not the first person to have done this. Lots of people have. But it's just been one of those things that's so important and so personal that I knew one day I'm going to do that. 3 months ago I started it, and I can safely say that throughout my entire programming career, they have been the 3 most enjoyable months of programming I've ever experienced. But it became a bit of an obsession. My entire life started to revolve around this one project. I'd wake up, I'd drive to work, I'd then work all day, and drive home, and then I'd start coding. And I would code until late into the night, and I'd do that every weekday. And at weekends I'd wake up and I'd start coding, and I'd code and code and code until the weekend was over. And those 3 months just completely flew by. I've barely seen any friends or family or even my wife. They all think I'm crazy. But it's done. I've completed this project, and I'm simultaneously both really happy and really sad, because I don't think there is a project that I'll enjoy programming quite as much as this one. So, let's get started.